Hello everyone, my name is Umesh Indoria. I am a business head of Panshul Technologies. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. SigmaNEST impact the full range of fabrication workflow from quoting to production to shipping. It gives the complete 5M like motion, material, machines, manage and manpower. SigmaNEST solutions helps in saving material as well as money, and it reduces the time for fabrication. Panshul Technologies is a 10-year organization wherein we have been providing CAD/CAM solution. We have partnered with SigmaNEST to provide manufacturing companies with their fabrication solution. SigmaNEST and Panshul Technologies have been catering to the Western India market